Welcome to another video. I'm Elisa. I'm converting this 2021 Ram Promaster into a tiny house on wheels. Today I'm going to be installing this 30 amp RV inlet and I'm a little bit scared because I have to cut another hole in my van. You would think it would get easier after cutting holes for the fans and the windows. But anyway, I have this. I have a tool that I've never used in my life, and I don't want my first time using this tool to be on my van. So I'm gonna test it. Let me show you. It's this here. So I'm gonna, oh, it's already loose. Okay, now I have to figure out exactly where I want to put this inlet. You want it to be on the driver's side because the sliding door on the other side would interfere with it. So on this side it's pretty open, but now I have my ladder here and this ladder can't be moved. It has to be here because that's where the little holes for the ladder are on the roof rack. So I'm gonna leave the ladder here. Now the inlet, I've seen people put it here, and I think I've seen it over on this side as well. This seems like a good spot. Let me go grab it and see what it would look like. Would it fit without interfering with the ladder? I think so. So now I have to go inside and see, make sure that this would be a good spot from the inside. And how would I know that? I don't know. Let's see. I need to do some measurements, but I'm thinking right down the line from motion windows to right around here. Let's go see if this makes any sense inside. I'm thinking right here. Is this a bad spot? Is this a good spot? How do I know? I've been measuring and measuring for the past 20 minutes. Sometimes I need another person saying, yeah, that seems like a good idea.
Those little fragments of metal will cause rust, so we want to have as few of those as possible. I'm going to take this hole saw and I'm going to go ahead and finish the hole right through here so we can...
Okay, let's play with this tool before we start drilling holes in the van. Just a little practice first. I'm gonna drill a pilot hole. The hardest thing here now is deciding whether I should drill it from the inside or the outside. Wait, should I double check it again? No, I've been double checking this way too many times. Let's just do it. Let's make sure that it went in the right spot. Oh, here it is. That's a good spot. I like it. Make sure that all of these metal shavings are caught by this bag. Now, the scary one. Before we clean it up, we have to make sure it fits. Does it need to be? It needs to be bigger. It's too small. Nothing ever goes as planned. If I put this in here, it goes in, but not all the way in. There's a little piece here. This piece right here sticks out and that has to go in. So I'm just going to file this until this can fit in, and that's the only way for me to fix this. I may be here for a few hours. Now it fits. I feel better now. Made my life a little bit harder by not following instructions. On the instructions, it clearly says 2.5 hole saw, and this is 2 1/4, I believe. So follow instructions. Now that this fits in here properly, what I'm gonna do is mark where my pilot holes are gonna go to screw this thing in. All right, there goes one. I'm pretty proud of this because look, you can see through these holes. So I put them exactly where they needed to be. I gave it enough time to dry. Now, this is the cable that came with the ECOFLOW power kit. So I have to attach these 3 wires to this here. This goes inside, I think. We'll tighten this and see what happens. This looks really good. I hope. Now we push this in. Okay, here's the inside part. Let's screw this in. We are gonna push it through. Now I think I'm ready to screw this in. Hard to see anything, but I have washers and nylon lock nuts to hold these in place. Now with this, I'm gonna be able to charge the battery with my solar panels, shore power, and the van's alternator. All right, we'll put one of each. I'm gonna have to get a tool for this. There it is. Done. Let me show you what it looks like from the inside. That is it for this part of today's video. Next, we're gonna work on the rear view camera. I am not going to do that myself. I will be taking the van to Best Buy and letting them hardwire all of that. Some things I'm gonna leave to the professionals. I'm so thankful to the auto technicians at Best Buy. They did such a good job installing this camera. The wire connecting the camera to the screen was almost too short, and somehow they made it work. So thank you so much, guys. The lighting here makes it hard to see, but maybe this way. So this is the back camera, and then we have the front camera. I'm just hoping that this makes it easier when I'm trying to park, when I'm trying to back into a parking spot. I think it will. Something that I forgot to mention on my previous video where I showed you how I installed the solar panels is how I sealed the cables entering the van. I used lap sealant. Let me show you what I did up there. It's kind of hard to see now. As you can see, here are my 2 solar panels. That's the front of the van and this is the back of the van. Under this solar panel here, I have an entry gland that I sealed with lap sealant. There it is. You see that little entry gland here? It's sealed. Oh, another person asked why I didn't put my solar panels together, why I left a little space in between them, and it's because I want to be able to jump over the solar panel, and I would definitely not be able to do that if they were together. It's a lot of pollen here. All right, let's go down. I should not be wearing sandals. So the solar panel cables are running through the roof right here, and these little rubber grommets are not there so much to prevent water from coming in, but more to protect the wires from the metal here. But on top of this, on the roof, is the entry gland that has been sealed properly. Next time I'm here, I'm probably going to be working on the electrical system and framing the walls of the van. I just got my toilet. I got it now because I'm gonna build this cool system where the toilet hides under the bench and then you can pull it out inside the shower. Something that looks exactly like this here. They just posted a video showing how they built that, so I'm going to follow them and order the parts. There's just a lot to do and I want to get it done before the summer. So I'm thinking maybe hopefully complete this whole project by the end of May. That's the goal. We'll see if that works out, but that would be amazing if I can do that. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you like my videos and give it a thumbs up as well. My thumb is full of lap sealant. I'm not gonna worry about my hands or my nails until I'm done with this van. Anyway, that's all for today. Mwah. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.